Hey, this is a video on how to create an assignment. So here we go. So the most direct way to make an assignment is to go to Toolkit, Assignments, you create new assignment. So the first thing you do is give it a name. So let's call it Unit 1, Async uh, Assignment 3, right? Async 3. Ungraded, so I'm going to grade it out of 10 points. Click on In Grades, choose from grades. You see here where it says grade category. So if you created these categories, like I created professionalism and participation, you just click on those and hit OK, and then select the due date. Down here, you can either record a video and like directly record it. Like if you click on here, you can make a video and then attach it to the assignment. Here you can click on it and make an audio, attach it to the assignment. You have OneDrive. You can upload things here. Google Drive. Web links, which is what I use because I make YouTube videos, attach it to another assignment and upload your file. So I'm going to go and I'm going to click on share. So I'm sorry, this is my YouTube site and I just went to one of my videos, hit copy, and I'm going to just go to attach web link and put the web link here, the URL here, and give it a name. Insert. Watch video and upload notes. Over here, you're going to put in when you want it to be seen, the start and end date. Over here for submission, you can tell it what type of submission, file, text, on paper and observed that you won't really be using. If it's unlimited files, you want them to load or just one. If it's all submissions, only one they get to choose from, or the latest one. And evaluation feedback is nice. You can add rubrics, create, add existing. So if you have a rubric like I have it for notes, you can create it once and then attach it to future assignments. Managing learning objectives is something I don't know, so that's something to check out later. And when you're ready to go, you're going to just hit save and close. And it's done. You've uploaded your assignment. Now, something I like to do is I like to upload my assignments so that my students can see it when they log in. And notice I created an assignment here, right? But the students, like what happened to the assignment I just created. So in order to do that, to upload an assignment, you click on activity feed, you hit plus, assignment. You can select your existing assignment and just find the one that I created. And here it is ready to go and hit post. Now, also if you wanted to, you could also create an assignment from scratch here, right? So unit 1, async 4, all this stuff, add to grades, notes. But the only thing is if you notice add to grades is fine. It even tells me how many points I want to grade it out of, which is fine. But notice how it doesn't say what category. So I highly recommend creating your assignment first and then posting it after. But anyways, let's say you did it this way and you created an assignment that way. So here I created this new assignment. What I would then do is I would go in here and I would go to edit assignment, and then I would go to in grades, choose from grades, click on create link to new grade, and then choose a category. So that way it's attached to a category that I'm grading. save and close. But like I said, I think the way I did it, where you start with the toolkit, and then when you're done, you go to assignments. That's the smart way to do it. And then once you're done with that, if you're someone like me who has like multiple classes, the next thing you should do is go to course admin, click on import export, course, go to copy components from another org, and go click on search for offerings. And just type in the name of the course. Oh, and you should be in the course that you want to copy into. Sorry. So, for example, like I think I'm in the course where I created all the assignments, so that's not what I should do. I should switch and go to a different course. But anyways, I just want to show you. So you click on like my classes for it's called data science. So I just say data and click on the magnifying search or press enter. Um, and up comes all these classes that I have. So I click one, add selected, and it gives me a choice: copy all the components or just the selected component. So if you're copying like only some things, not everything, then I would choose select components. For me, it's just easier to do copy all components. Nothing is really lost when I do that. So I always went with this, but it's really up to you and what you have to do. If you hit select components, you'll see that you can copy, assignments, grades, grading, all that good stuff. But again, for me, my three data science courses are kind of all the same. So I'm going to just copy, so data, add selected, copy all components. So notice how it's saying copy is queued. Please wait for processing. So you just got to wait until the check mark comes. There we go. And it copied it. So yeah, and that's basically how we create assignments and copy them into other courses.